Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the latest Papercraft Society box. And before I do that, I just want to encourage you to go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, and hit the thumbs up and check out the links down in the description below. That really helps support this independent artist. And I have an Etsy shop and a blog at cynthiamaynard.com. All right, let's jump in and take a look at what's inside of this box. Okay, so this box is purple and snowflakey, so obviously this is going to be wintry themed. My box got a little bump in the mail across the pond there, but that's okay. It's a good sturdy box and none of the items were hurt in there. This is the first time I've ever had a damaged box, so I'm not sure what happened there, but this one is Sasha Reed, I believe her name is, and she has a YouTube channel. Yeah, Sasha Reed. And the booklet will go through all the different ways you can use your supplies. I'm in the middle of a painting here, so I've got my stuff here, so I'm going to be a little careful. We have got some glimmer paper here, like a silver, and it is no shed, so that's nice. White on the back. And you'll be able to use that for some snowflakes. We have got some, it looks like embossing powder in a nice silver. You can always use that. Just to give you an idea of the colors here, got gorgeous purple. I love that purple, like a lavender, pink, and a very, very light blush pink. I really like this purple. Let's see what else we've got here. We have a couple little envelopes. Oh, snowflakey. Little snowflakey sequins. So that'll be fun. You can make shakers with that. I'll have to tape that up so I don't spill. Oh, some silver twine. So we can make bows and things, or if you're going to make an ornament, you have some silver twine to hang that from. Okay, the wallet, let's put this aside for a second, is this pink with snowflakes. Let's see here. So we open it up and you get lots of goodies. So we have our die set, our stamp set, and our papers. And I think once you subscribe or buy a box, I don't even think you have to be a regular subscriber. Once you buy one, I think you're able to download the digital papers to this. So that's nice. You don't have to feel like they're too precious to use. So we have got a nice wintry scene here. So you can make different scenes and things with these, maybe. Sparkly pink. Okay. Got vellum. A couple sheets of vellum. Several sheets of vellum. Well, that's nice. So several sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4. Could be 5 there. All right. Let's look at our stamp set here. So we have lots of different kinds of snowflakes. I think the theme, I glanced at the book, was like layering things up. So Happy Christmas, Dreaming of a White Christmas, Let It Snow. So you can have winter cards as well with this. Doesn't have to be Christmas. You could do Snow is Falling, Happy New Year. And then there's some like borders to and from, so you can make some tags. So nice usable stamp set there. And then for the dies, question is, do they cut out? I don't know. Might. It's definitely the same size. I think the idea here is to layer it, kind of like Spellbinders does that with the layering bits there. So you do them in different colors and you get a real dimensional piece. But some of these you could use on their own as well, probably all of them. There are some smaller ones. Here's a tag. You could do your to and from on there, or to anyway, and from on the back, and a little snowflake that fits inside of that. And hopefully that's not been glaring the whole time. I'm sorry about that. And then it says snow. So you could add that to, you know, in lieu of this word snow here. So you could stamp let it and then snow. All right, so that's the box, and I'll try to whip up. I still need to do my John Lockwood box here. I had some paintings I needed to finish and some digital paper to make from that, so I got a little bit behind on my boxes, but encourage you to check out the links below, check out Craftstash and their different options there for the Papercraft Society. I believe the individual boxes do become available if there are excess of them after they've been mailed out to everybody. So if you didn't want to commit to, you know, a regular subscription, you may be able to still get a hold of different boxes. So they're always very usable and a great deal. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.